Salvador is one of the barangays of municipality of Prosperidad, which serves as the capital of Agusan del Sur. Its history cannot be separated from the broader historical development of Agusan Valley, a region shaped by migration, colonization, and agricultural expansion. Before the arrival of colonial powers, the Agusan Valley was inhabited by the indigenous groups, particularly the Manobo tribes. So these communities lived along the riversides, and this group rely on fishing, hunting, and shifting cultivation. Social organization was based on kisnip and customary laws. The land that would later become the San Salvador was part of these ancestral domains. During the Spanish colonial period, the Agusan del Sur remained relatively less controlled compared to the coastal areas. However, missionary activities introduced Christianity to some communities. The name San Salvador itself reflects Spanish religiously influence, derived from the Holy Savior, suggesting that the barangay may have been established or renamed under Christian influence during or after Spanish era. Significant changes occurred during the American regime. Early 1900s, when the government encouraged migration from the Visayas and Luzon to Mindanao. This policy aimed to develop agricultural lands and integrate regions into the nation's economy. Settlers brought new farming techniques, formal education, and local governance structures. San Salvador's growth has been primarily agricultural. The fertile lands of the Agusan del Sur allowed residents to cultivate rice, corn, coconut, and other crops. Over time, farming became the backbone of local economy, supported by irrigation systems and government agricultural programs. Infrastructure development such as the roads connecting barangay to the municipality center of Prosperidad facilitated trade, education, and access to the services. These development gradually transformed San Salvador from a settlement into established rural community. Today, San Salvador continues to reflect a blend of indigenous heritage and migrant influence. While modern governance and education system are in place, traces of traditional practice and community values remain evident in local life. Its history illustrates the broader narrative of Mindanao, a region shaped by indigenous roots, colonial transitions, and ongoing development.